as you know, Meta is the governing body for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And Facebook and Instagram actually have avatars available, or Instagram rather. So it is only fair that WhatsApp integrate this feature as well. So the WhatsApp beta from the WhatsApp beta info website, WhatsApp beta for Android 2.22.16.11. What's new? So WhatsApp is rolling out a new update through the Google Play beta program, bringing the version up to 2.22.16.11. And what's new in this update? So WhatsApp is working on avatars, a new way to be you on WhatsApp, available in future update of the application. So WhatsApp is currently working on avatars, and this will be available in future updates. However, it is currently being tested in beta versions of this application. So it is currently under development, and WhatsApp is working on this feature. So in this article about the WhatsApp beta for Android version, we've discovered that WhatsApp is planning to introduce avatars, a new way to be you on WhatsApp. So thanks to avatars, you may be able to use avatar as a mask in placing video calls. So basically, whenever you're on video calls, you could actually just use the avatar to be displayed whenever you are on video calls. So it will be, well, as you can see here, it will take a long time before it is available to users. So it is being developed, and this is pretty unique. I think this is a cool feature. Sometimes you might just want to turn off your videos and just leave it at that. So you could actually just use the avatar in space of your video, and I think this is a feature which I'd definitely use, the avatar option in WhatsApp. So new feature coming to WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments what you think about this feature, and as you can see, this is just a preview or a synopsis of what it will look like. So let me know what your thoughts are on this. That is it from me to you. Hacker 007 out.